Hello, David here, and the project for today is a review of these Dremel polishing bits. If you have a Dremel or some other rotary tool, you get a package of bits and they're all assorted, and sometimes you just want to get one of one shape. And if you do polishing of jewelry or metal parts or trigger jobs, sometimes you got to get into real tight spaces. So I found these on Amazon, not a sponsor. And they're cone shaped, and there's 20 of them in a package for $9 delivered. They are made in China, but they're made out of wool, and the company is called PHYHOO, PHYHOO, and it's got a 1/8 inch shank to fit the Dremel or the other generic rotary tools out there. And if you're going to do a trigger job and polish that metal, make sure you check the specifications of that metal, because some of those metals have a coating on them, and if you polish them, you could polish that coating off, and you don't want to be doing that. Also, you're going to need a polishing compound, and polishing compounds come in different grits of abrasives. Some are fine and some are coarse, and I don't know enough to advise you. A lot of people use a brand called Flitz, and I've got this lifetime supply of polishing compound for my car. I use this turtle wax polishing compound, and it's kind of in a cake form, and I add a little bit of water to it. And I also have a liquid Meguiar's called a pre-cut cleaner, and I really don't know how fine each of these two things are. And this is what I keep my Dremel bits in, this little container. This is what comes in the package of the assorted bits. There's a small wheel and a large wheel. Sometimes these things can't get in the tight spaces where these cone-shaped pieces can, so it's a good idea to stock up on some of these. I don't have a project right now for polishing, but I will have something coming up in the near future, so we'll have to stay tuned for that. Anyway, this is just a short video about these 20 bits that I got on Amazon, and I wish you all the best. Thanks for watching. Bye now.